emotional fulfillment. And if you don't do those things, isolo yakho izolamba. That's why you've got things figured out. You're in tech now, you have cars, everything. But yay, because the soul debt, I always tell you guys. That's why other people are teachers, other people have it daycare, but they can build beautiful houses. Like umuntu got things figured out because those people are living in their purpose. Ingoba loyo muntu uzinze ku-purpose yakho yinto ayizele la emhlabeni. And sometimes we confuse our talents, the things that we're good at, as the purpose, whilst it's not. You can be funny and ingabe i-purpose yakho. I-purpose yakho kube i-communication. I-purpose yakho kube i-transformation, to help people to transform, be better. You understand? So a lot of you guys nithi ngabona ukuthi okay, I'm good mhlambe as a singer, and you think it's your purpose. That's why when you go out there and you sing, it's a bruiser and people will own you. A lot of musicians nabo banjalo, they think that talent is their purpose. It's not. And wonke umuntu has a lot of talents and a lot of gifts from God or the universe. Like wonke umuntu une toolbox yakhe ayiphethe of the gifts, the purpose, not the gifts, the talents. However, the purpose, if umuntu okwazi ukuyibona owabelwe njengathi usabelwe ukuyibona emntwini, and to help you to get that purpose. Because if your purpose is to heal people, and every day 1 hour of your time you heal people, life will work out for you in whatever that you do. Noma yini, you'll have the privilege to do things that you love. Anything that you want, you'll have that privilege, and things will open up for you because you trust the universe, you trust yourself, you embrace your purpose, you embrace your gift. Purpose in ofana nami. Neighbor? Because angaza ningizwe la ngithi please buy. But people are buying because it's there. It's like you light here, you share the light. I share the light every time with you guys. No man finding. But for me, the purpose, melengi ngihlawule ku-purpose yami all the time. I need to pay. I need to, you understand? Njalo. And if you know that purpose yakho is to share information with people, why don't you start today and you create that account and you show knowledge to people? Because purpose yakho is to keep outside of your comfort zone. Nama had a life before, a beautiful life. But every time mangula beautiful life and I'm not doing my purpose, impilo yami iyacrasha. Even though I'm in a good space, I have money, I have everything, but iyafohloka impilo yami, like ngaphakathi something doesn't make sense to me. Yini leyo kanti that I'm longing for so much? Yini lokho? And you'll end up, I know a lot of you guys think that mhlambe you studied a wrong qualification, things like that, then you try a new one. You'll try those new careers until you're shown. Nothing will work out for you, unfortunately. With purpose, you know that you're supposed to start your own business. Right? That's you. Sometimes, color in your intuition, I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Even though, yes, I'm an engineer, but I don't think this is where I'm supposed to be. I'm not fulfilled by being here. And you try another career, and it's not like a career thing. Once you get your purpose, and ubu secular purpose yako, and uyamgel and embrace it, you can try any career uitanda, noma yini. Because that emotional fulfillment has nothing to do with your career and money. And as you grow, zobana maqaluba now 24, 25. No, isn't that sense? Myself when you can't explain it why. But I work for 2 or 3 days. You see, something is wrong. Because the universe will never allow you not to ukubusa ku-purpose yakho. Angeke. Izokunyakazisa ngayo yonke indlela. You'll lose your house. You'll be in debt. A lot of things will happen to you. But kuwe isole purpose into encane. Mhlambe is to make people happy, guys. Imagine umosha impilo yakho ngenxa yokuthi kumele nje uthi ebantwini, wow, you look beautiful. Ukhona umuntu one-purpose njalo ngeke ngimbale ngegama. Into yakho ukuthi athi ebantwini, wow, you look beautiful. That's all. That's her purpose. Akafuni nakuyibona. You understand? But every day, I show to 10 people, good, wow, you look beautiful, I love your eyes, and someone feels something. Leon izo donate or something. Like, it's like izo nigi favor in life. You understand? Like izo nigga something in life. Yeah, nami ngiyangicika ngiphinde ngivale nami myself. Because I do understand why I'm here, but sometimes you feel like you can do better with your life. Sometimes you feel like, no, I mean, I can be better. I'm very smart. But the purpose wants you to teach people about spirituality. That's what the purpose is. That's why yabo i-comedy siphinde sisuke kuyo singene spiritini. But comedy, everyone loves me when I do comedy. Everyone, even you guys, you love me when we are laughing. But the dead ilda me ebusuku mangiyolala. With so many people who are watching me, ngahluleka nje ukunitshela ukuthi cleanse your house and you can be better. For when I talk, someone does those things and impilo yakhe ivuleke. After so many years, ebelinde mina ukuthi ngisho